If you are looking for a pressure canner, you have come to the right place. Today's video lists the 5 best products available in the market today. At number 5, we have Fowl P25144 8.5 quart multi-purpose cooker. The Fowl stainless steel oven-safe pressure cooker is ideal for large meals and big households. Constructed of durable stainless steel, the Fowl pressure cooker provides lasting performance and is easy to clean and maintain. The variable control valve cooks at 10 or 15 psi and has a safety valve, pressure indicator, and a safe opening and closing system. Cook richly flavored beans, stews, and vegetables with less work and easier cleanup with the Fowl 8.5 quart multi-purpose cooker. The Fagor Anova is the 4th product on our list. The Fagor Anova pressure cooker is Fagor's brand new pressure cooker line. Made entirely in Spain, this high-quality 1810 stainless steel pressure cooker is designed with sleek ergonomic handles that make for easy opening and closing. The Anova features an automatic locking mechanism which securely locks the pressure cooker, 2 pressure settings, high 15 psi and low 8 psi, an automatic pressure release setting, and a maximum level indicator. It includes a tempered glass lid that converts the pressure cooker pot into a traditional stock pot, a versatile stainless steel steamer basket that can be used to create endless dishes, and a full-color cookbook with 50 delicious recipes. The Anova pressure cooker features a 10-inch diameter base for better browning and searing capabilities. The visual pressure indicator on the handle shows when all pressure has been released. The 20-quart Graniteware 0730-2 comes 3rd on the list today. The Graniteware 20-quart pressure cooker is a professional quality tool made of heavy-duty anodized aluminum with stay-cool handles and a strong lock steel lid. The hard anodized finish is ultra durable and means this can be used as a pressure cooker or steamer without changing the flavor or color of food. An accompanying rack fits down into the pot to keep jars up off the bottom so that liquid can circulate underneath. In addition to a pop-up pressure indicator and a simple steam release mechanism, the pressure canner has controls of internal pressure, which eliminates the need for constant monitoring and calibration of a pressure gauge. The Graniteware 20-quart pressure cooker pressure dial gauge gives an accurate reading so that the pressure can be kept constant during canning. Second on the list today, our runner-up is the 22-quart Fowl P31052. The stovetop canner's heavy-gauge aluminum construction heats quickly and offers rust-proof performance for long-lasting use. The cooker's selective pressure control maintains a steady internal pressure, while its vent tube on the lid allows for proper steam release. For added safety, the cooker's backup steam release components include a reusable overpressure plug. The red pin in the center pushes out, releasing steam. And if more release is needed, the gasket release window will push out from the lid opening. In addition, a spring safety device prevents the pressurization of the cooker before being securely closed, and a sure-locking lid system prevents opening the lid when the cooker is pressurized. And at number 1, top of our list, let's check out the Presto 01781. The Presto 01781 23-quart pressure cooker is ideal for all your home canning needs, with more than sufficient space for your 6 mason jars. The Presto 01781 only takes up as much space as a large pan and fits comfortably on both gas and smooth top hobs. This model has been a long-time bestseller on Amazon and is usually available for under $100. Thanks for checking out our list of the best 5 pressure canners on the market today.